Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. And inbound faxes. Fax is still pretty popular for medical and some other reasons. We use SR Fax as our eFax service, and that's HIPAA compliant, which is the main selection we did for that. Okay. So what we did, we installed a webhook within our SR Fax account. So when a fax arrives, that webhook alerts WorkMovr that a fax has been received. Okay. We don't think the incoming fax number is a good indication of origin, so we always assign faxes to the Orphan Entity and then let a person figure out the proper location for them. Okay. And the fax, of course, is silent, so we initiate a workflow activity instance and route that to the appropriate role. Okay. So let's have a look. So we send the fax from our alternate eFax account. The fax comes into our main eFax account here, and you can have a look here at what we send an invoice over. Now we always assign the fax to the Orphan Entity. So this is the fax assigned to the Orphan Entity here, and you can look at the actual fax here from the Orphan Entity. Okay, and so then we've generated an activity instance in the WorkMovr workflow here. And so you can see the activity instance inbound receive notification, and it's assigned to the customer service role. We do most work allocation by roles, okay? And just remembering this instance ID, okay? And so because I'm in the customer service role, this comes up in my inbox. And here we are, receive fax notification. I can click on that and figure out where I should put the fax. So thank you very much then.